Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. I hope that you are fine and highly motivated for learning more about Masnoon du'as that our Holy Prophet Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam practiced in his life. Today we will learn about the manners and etiquettes for the usage of toilet. Let's read the dua before entering the washroom. اللهم إني أعوذ بك. Again, اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الخبث والخبائث. One more time. اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الخبث والخبائث. Its translation is, Allah, I take your protection from all evils and evildoers. You know that toilet is a dirty place and there are many germs and there are many shaitan. So we should get protection of Allah Almighty. Now we will read this dua for memorization again. اللهم إني أعوذ بك من الخبث والخبائث. When you will read this dua, Allah Almighty will send angels for your protection. Inshallah, you will be protected by angels. Now we will repeat the same dua. Allahumma inni. Again, Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubuthi wal khaba'ith. Minal khubuthi wal khaba'ith. One more time. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubuthi wal khaba'ith. Now close your eyes and read. Try to read. Inshallah you will do it. Allahumma inni a'udhu bika minal khubuthi wal khaba'ith. Yes, inshallah you will memorize this dua. You should read and listen this video again and again to memorize it and develop daily habit of reading this dua before entering the washroom. Now we will learn about the Islamic manners for using toilet. The first Islamic manner is that we should enter the washroom with our left foot first. We should put our left foot in the washroom first. Then we should maintain privacy in the washroom and we should lock the door properly. Then we should sit on the washroom seat nicely and properly. Then we should be very careful about quietness in the washroom. And we should use water for proper cleanliness of private body parts. Then we should, after using washroom, we should flush it and clean the washroom properly. And we should never ever forget about washing our hands with soap so that we can avoid germs. But we should be careful about wasting of water. We should never ever waste water because water is very much important. And at the last, we should recite the exit dua. After using washroom, we should read the dua and exit properly. Yes, the dua is Ghufranaka. It's very much short dua. Ghufranaka. Its meaning is I seek Allah's forgiveness. And then we should exit toilet with right foot. We should put the right foot first out of the washroom. Yes, these are the practices of our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. And when we will develop habit of following the path of our Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then inshallah Allah Almighty will become very happy with us and will give us success in this world and the world hereafter. Inshallah. By the time you should take care and you should develop habit of reading these du'as. Take care. Allah Hafiz.